In this video, I'll take a look at the script function in the create dialog box. Over here we have the script area. This can be used to do customized things. So for example, I had one customer and they wanted to have an option to, by default, set all of their parts to not allow nesting in holes. So there's this little script that's selected, then that'll be applied to all the parts. And if you want to see what the script looks like, you can click on the little edit button. And this one's pretty simple. This is how most of your scripts are going to have a thing like this, where basically all the parts that you select go through a little for each thing, and in this case it's just setting it to not use holes. Very simple little thing there. And once we make the parts, then we see down here, use holes, no. And if we want to go ahead and nest, and there it doesn't use holes. So there's that. Take this back a couple steps here. And one that I just did is to automatically add part text. So if I don't want to use a script, I can just set it to none. And right now, of course, there's no part text on here. Normally we go to part submenu, part text. Select the parts that you want to add your text to. Specify the height. I'm just going to left click and left click for a height. And we'll do no and no. And I'll put the part text on there, all with that same height that I initially selected. With this script, it should dynamically change the height of the text based on the size of the part. Take it back another step again here, create. And we'll do the script here. And click on here to edit. This one here, again, we're doing our for each to go through all the parts. Finding the X and Y dimension of each part to figure out which dimension is larger. Getting the name of the part. Doing the height based off of which dimension is longer. Reducing that by 20%, and then applying the cam part text command. So we're going to do that, then we get this, and then that part text size changes. So that script function can be fairly handy if you have something unique like that you want to do. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.